2025 Futuristic Luxury, Minimalist Aesthetics, and Modern Home Decor, with new furniture trends. Step into the future of living with futuristic luxury spaces and home decor 2025. An era where minimalist aesthetics converge with cutting-edge innovation to redefine the essence of modern living. Imagine residing in a home that not only embodies your unique style but also seamlessly adapts to your evolving lifestyle, ensuring every moment spent within is both fulfilling and harmonious. In this new age, sleek, modern furniture is meticulously crafted alongside smart living solutions. Each detail purposefully designed to transform your space into a serene sanctuary of comfort and sophistication. Focal decor pieces, such as statement lighting and artful accents, become the heart of your home, a testament to how functionality and breathtaking beauty can coexist. This elegant fusion of timeless design with tomorrow's technology yields spaces that continuously inspire and rejuvenate, elevating your everyday life to new heights. As you explore the art of smart living, intuitive home systems emerge as indispensable companions, anticipating your needs with sophistication and ease. Imagine lighting that enhances your mood with shades that shift from gentle morning glows to soothing evening hues, all controlled at the sound of your voice or a simple gesture. Our curated collection of modern furniture embodies this progressive spirit, emphasizing clean lines, rich materials, and sustainable craftsmanship. This approach ensures that your space is not only the epitome of elegance, but also a beacon of eco-conscious living. Whether you're curling up with a favorite book in a cozy nook or entertaining in a spacious living area, every corner of your home is imbued with a sense of calm and delight, made possible by thoughtfully chosen focal decor elements like sculptural vases and textured rugs. These items add depth and personality, transforming your home into a one-of-a-kind retreat. Let your home narrate a story of innovation and warmth where each piece is chosen with care, crafting a haven of tranquility and style. In 2025, futuristic luxury transcends mere aesthetics, focusing instead on creating spaces that nourish your well-being and spark profound joy. The integration of smart living solutions with minimalist designs transforms your home into a mirror reflecting your dreams and values. Bold wall art and elegant centerpieces function as crucial ties in this tapestry, unifying the space and ensuring it is unforgettable. Welcome to a new era of living where every moment at home becomes a celebration of life's most exquisite details, rich with personal significance. This is not merely a style but a lifestyle choice, one where luxury and simplicity harmoniously intertwine, crafting a life of effortless elegance and profound fulfillment.